Hello everyone. Today we are going to complete page number 4 from navaneet Vikas Drawing and Coloring Book, Class 2nd. On that 4 number page, some vegetable drawing is there. Today we are going to complete this. Here I am going to use white color for doing the outline part or drawing on it. If you don't have possible to drawing directly, you can use pencil before doing oil pastels. Like this, I am just lightly going to draw the shape of vegetables and fruit. I am going to use violet color. You can see, if it's not visible, you can use a light color of violet shade, unless you can use purple color there to paint that part. Here some white part is there of shiny part of that fruit or that vegetable. There is a white color is given. You have to paint same that. You have to maintain some part to give the white color there. If you want to make more darker shade, you can use a dark blue also to mix it. That where is a dark part is there, see that one connection is there. If light is from right hand side, shadow will be go on left hand side. Like this we are going to make the dark and light color shades according to light. On tomato also you can see there is a white and shiny part is there. There also I am going to make some white part. As you can see on book, if you want to mix orange color on it little bit, you can mix and make a two colors combination. That also it's looking beautiful, but here I am using only red color to paint that part. After painting, I am going to make dark border with white color. Like this we can do the border. It's so simple. On page number 4 our work is almost finished. Now one vegetable is remain. Here I am going to use yellow ochre color. If you want to use you can use light brown also to paint that part. On that part I am going to mix just some brown color on it. You can see the texture is there, some dots and line is there. Like this I am going to paint. Afterwards you can do the border with white color, unless you can use gray color also to do border for this page. Now as you can see on page number 4, some part is given with yellow color. I am going to paint same like this with yellow color. Not whole page, but just part of outside that object. Like this you can complete this. Afterwards it look like this. Here I am going to mix some orange color shade. If you want to mix it, you can mix it. If any white part is remain, you can paint once again, overlap on it. Afterwards it look like this. Now our page number 4 from Navneet Vikas drawing book class 2nd is finished. Afterwards we are going to learn next page. Bye bye.